How do you fix Wardogs crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open the properties. And in the launch options, you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser. And you'll need to navigate to this link right here, which is going to be in the description below. Now, from the latest redistributables supported here, you will need to get the 86 and the 64 installer for the redistributables. And once you finish the installation, this will ask you to restart your computer, so make sure to do that. Now, once you've restarted your computer, you'll also need to update your GPU drivers. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need this NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to drivers, and from here, make sure to update, download and install the latest available driver update. And if you're running AMD, you will need the AMD software installed. Now, once you're done, you'll need to right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. Now, if you're having a crash as soon as you start up the game, it's usually because of overlays. So you want to start by disabling the Steam overlay from here. You can go to Steam settings and scroll down, click on in-game and turn off the overlay while in-game from here. Next, you'll need to turn off the overlay from your GPU app if it does have an overlay, such as NVIDIA here. Turn off the overlay. Next, you'll also need to disable the Discord overlay. Click on user settings, scroll down, click on game overlay and turn it off from here. And the last thing you'll need to do is, if you have MSI Afterburner, make sure to open it up and disable the overlay from there or completely uninstall it from your PC. And then all you need to do is restart your computer and then just open up Steam and launch the game again from your library. And this should solve the crash problem at the startup. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.